Trump changed the rules, and your new credit profile car strategy just got more important. Most people don't realize this, but you can actually buy a car under your new credit profile, even if you're just getting started. You don't have to put it on your personal credit at all. In this video, I'll break down exactly how to buy or lease a car under your new credit profile, how to write off your car expenses, and how to even make money with your vehicle. Why use your new credit profile for a car? Everything purchased under your new credit profile can be a write-off: gas, maintenance, tires, insurance, and repairs. Protect your personal credit and keep large purchases completely separate from your personal life. This is one of the smartest moves most people don't even know about. Step 1. Set up your new credit profile correctly. Get your CPN number at newcreditmagic.com, open a new bank account, and you will also receive a new email, separate new phone number, and forwarding address. Without these basics in place, lenders won't take your new profile seriously. Step 2. Build your new credit profile credit. Open new credit accounts with companies we give you, make purchases, and get approved for credit and loans. Then get a credit card under your new profile and use it for anything. Step 3. Buy or lease. Buying builds your new credit profile faster. Leasing gives you lower payments and better write-offs. It depends on your situation. Step 4. Get financing. Your first time will not require a personal guarantee with your new credit profile. Your new credit profile stands on its own. We make it simple, no fluff. Build 1 million in credit quickly at newcreditmagic.com. Click the link below for a fresh start.